Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today is the fourth part of a Bhagavadgeethe for beginners, the selected shlokas from a Bhagavadgeethe. I hope by now you have learned the previous shlokas that we have covered in the second and the third class. If not, I leave the link for the playlist here. Please do check it out and learn the shlokas before coming to this part. So today we will be learning the two very famous and the most popular shlokas from the Bhagavadgeethe. So let's learn those two shlokas. Most of you might be knowing this, or you might have heard this shloka because it is been there in most of the movies and everywhere. So this is most popular shloka. So let's start that. So both of the shlokas is being taken from chapter 4. Fine. So the first one is chapter 4, 7th shloka. And the next one, chapter 4, 8th shloka. So let's learn the chapter 4, 7th shloka first. Yada yada hi dharmasya, dha needs to be stressed, glanir bhavati, bha stress, bharata, bha stress. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Next one, abhyuthanam, abhyu stress, tha stress, nam abhyuthanam, adharmasya, adharmasya, dha stress, tadatmanam, tadatmanam, srijamyaham, srijamyaham. Let's look into the meaning first, then we'll repeat once again this shloka. Yada yada, what is the meaning? Whenever. Yada yada hi dharmasya, whenever certainly dharma, dharma means the righteousness. Whenever there is a decline, glani means decline. Whenever there is a decline of a righteous thing, the good things in this entire universe, Bharata, here Bharata means the name of Arjuna. Arjuna's one more name is a Bharata because he is a descendant of a Bharata king. Okay, so that's why he is mentioned as a Bharata. It's not just an India name, so do not consider like that. Your Bharata is not the India name. So it's a name for the Arjuna, one of the name for Arjuna. So Arjuna, whenever there is a decline in dharma, abhyuttanam. So whenever there is an increase, abhyuttanam is an increase, glaner is a decrease. Remember this, glani is a decrease, abhyuttanam is an increase. Whenever there is an increase in adharma, adharma is a bad thing. So opposite of a dharma is adharma. Whenever there is a unrighteousness things, whenever there is a too much of a bad and evil things are happening in the universe, at that time, tada, at that time, atmanam, the self, I myself, I will be in that situation. I will be born. I will take birth in that situation. Whenever there is a evil things, the lot of evil things happens and less of a dharma, I will be there. So this is like a promise that Bhagavan Krishna is giving to Arjuna. Fine. So we'll go with first slow recitation, then we'll go with the tune. Yada yadahi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. This is a shloka selected from chapter 4 and the 7th shloka. So next, immediately continuation of this, the 8th shloka we will learn. So in the 8th shloka, Krishna will tell, Paritranaya. In Paritrana, na tongue tip stretch upper pale. Paritranaya. Sadhunam. Dhu stress. Sadhunam. Vinashaya cha. Vinashaya cha. Dushkritam. Dushkritam. When you say dush, sha is like a shut the door sound. Dharma samsthapa, tha stress, dharma, samsthapa, attaya. So we'll put everything together in artha, tha stress. Okay? Dharma samsthapanarthaya. Dharma samsthapanarthaya. Sambhavami, bha stress. Yuge yuge. You might have heard this shloka most of the places. In the previous shloka, Krishna told to Arjuna that whenever there is a decline in dharma and increase in adharma, I will manifest there. So I will be like born there. So he'll continue saying that one. He'll tell paritranaya, to protect. Sadhunam, the righteous people, the people who follow the dharma are called as a sadhu. Okay, the righteous thing, to protect that righteousness. Vinashayacha, to annihilate, to destroy. Dishkritam, the wicked one, the evil thoughts, the evil people. Dharma samsthapa, dharma is a righteousness. Samsthapa, to re-establish, to bring back the dharma. I will be born, I will appear. Sambhavami, I will appear again and again. Yuge yuge, ages after ages. I will be born to uphold dharma, to protect the dharma, to destroy the adharma. I will be always born. So this is again the promise that is being given by Bhagavan Krishna to Arjuna and to every one of us. So we'll go once again with this shloka. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami yuge yuge. We'll take with the tune. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami yuge yuge. This is shloka from the 4th chapter and the 8th shloka. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, any question, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Take care. Namaste.